Question is which statement is used to clear the output screen in QBasic? Output screen on the QBasic. Question is which statement is used to clear the output screen in QBasic? Which statement
Sir,
is used to clear the output screen in QBasic? Same options will be there. यही
sir,
same.
CLL.
So CLS answer is given by whom? Ankita. Yes, Ankita.
Yes, sir.
So yes sir means no confidence.
Yes, sir, I have given the answer.
So the right answer is CLS. Right answer is CLS. Clear the screen. Clear the screen or output window. Clear. Next question is which statement is used in QBasic to take a value from the user and store a variable in a program Same options. Which statement is used in QBasic to take a value from the user and store it in a variable in a program. Store it in a
Sir,
variable within a program. So the answer
sir,
is yes.
input.
Input is the right answer. Input statement is used to what? Take a value from the user and store it in a variable within a program or inside a program. So the right answer is input statement. Input statement. So I am removing these questions. Now answer this question, everyone. Which one is the correct syntax to exit from for next loop? For next loop से exit होने के लिए which one is the correct syntax? What is the correct syntax to exit from for next loop? For next loop, what is the correct syntax to exit from for next loop? For next loop से exit होने के लिए क्या correct syntax है? So everyone, option number 1 exit, option number B exit for, next one is C for exit, and D all are correct. Yes, which one is the correct option? Which one is the correct syntax to exit from for next loop? For next loop से हमको exit करना है. What is the syntax for this? What is the correct syntax for next loop to exit from the for next loop? Answer this question, everyone.
So option D.
Option D. Yes, who is that? Option D. Tell me your name.
Sir, Rajni.
Rajni. So option D. So option D is the wrong answer. Any other?
Sir, option D. Sir, for exit.
For?
Sir, exit for.
So exit 4 is the right.
For exit.
For exit is the wrong answer. Right answer is exit for. Right. So the right answer is exit for. क्लास नहीं आनिएगा तो यही होगा. So options are given. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन जो दिया ना इसलिए आप लोग कुछ बोल भी पा रहे हैं. Sir, how please send this? What is this? So answer is exit for. Exit for is the right answer. Now the next question, try to answer everyone. Question Which one is the correct syntax to exit from do while loop? Similar type of question is there. Which one is the correct answer? Just you have to tell. Exit is there. Exit, do exit. So which is the correct syntax? Answer everyone. Which one is the correct syntax to exit from do while loop? Which one is the correct syntax to exit from do while loop?
Sir, option B.
Option B. Tell me your name. So,
Sir, Rajni.
King Cap Zileti.
so the answer is, everyone tell me, which one is the correct answer? Exit is the
Two.
answer or not?
Sir, option B.
Option B is the correct or wrong answer? Option B is the
Sir, right answer.
right answer. Exit do is the right answer. So, next question, try to answer everyone. Just wait. Similar questions will be there next also. Now answer the next question. Which one is the correct syntax to exit from do until loop? Do until loop. Now everyone will tell. Exit, do until, exit, do exit. Yes, answer.
Sir, option number B. Exit do until
Option number?
B.
Option number B. How many option number B? Exit. Yes, Ankita. What is the answer?
Exit do until.
Exit do
Sir,
until.
exit do
Akriti, what is the answer?
until option number B.
Rajni, what is the answer?
Sir, option B.
Option, Harsh,
Sir, option B.
yes, as
Sir, B.
B. Anyone other answer? Ahana. She is not in the class itself. Just she is connected, but she is not in the class. So the answer is exit do
Sir,
until.
I am there in the class.
Who is there? Ahana. Okay, so the answer do exit or exit do, all these answers are what?
Sir, B number.
B is the wrong answer. Answer is exit do only. So the answer D is the correct answer. Answer D is the correct answer. Right? For the first question, if for loop is there, the answer is exit for. If do while loop is there, exit do. If do until loop is also there, exit do. Point is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, next question. So, which statement is used in QBasic to assign a value to a variable in a program? Answer everyone. Options Without options, you cannot answer. I also know, you also know. Input and D is ream statement. So which one is the correct answer? Everyone, what is the correct answer? Which statement is used in QBasic to assign a value to a variable in a program? So the answer is print statement. Use your brain. Print statement is used for what? Printing. Input statement is used for taking the value from the user. Ream statement is used for comments. Remaining is what? Let. This common sense is also not there, then how you will answer? So let statement is used for assignment. Let statement is optional. Let statement is optional. Right. So the right answer is let. Class is over. Bye everyone.